video, I created this cloud eye makeup tutorial, and this is the look that I created. And pagpasensya na guys if puro eye makeup look na lang yung mga na-upload ko lately, kasi nag-enjoy talaga ako dito. And so if you wanna know how I created this look, please keep on watching. So hi guys, I will be looking. So na-set ko na and nalagyan ko na ng concealer yung eyelids ko guys. So the first thing na ilalagay natin is this pink na lipstick, and this is the NYC Tweezable Intense Lip Color in the shade Ballroom Blush, and ilalagay ko siya sa outer dito sa inner part ng lids ko dito, para may base yung color pink natin. Then I'm going to blend it. Spread it. Using that blush. So, hindi ako nag-practice dito guys. Hindi ako nag-practice. This is my going to be my first time trying this look. So, ayan. So, isa-set na natin siya using a pink eyeshadow. Ito. Going to use this eyeshadow to set it. A brush. A fluffy brush. I'm just going to tap it para hindi mag-move yung lipstick. And then, i-blend ko out. I-blend out ko lang siya. So, pasensya na guys kung may naririnig kayong mga tahol ng aso. So, ayan. Our first shade is in, and then yung next shade is this purple shade. And ilalagay ko siya sa center. I'm just going to intensify it. And then I'm going to get a clean brush and blend the pink and purple together. That. So the next shade is blue. I'm going to take this blue. I'm going to get a flat brush and put it on the outer corner. I forgot to put tape, but it's okay. And then I'm going to get again where's the clean brush? I'm going to get a clean brush and blend it together. It looks really patchy on the screen, so aayusin ko lang yan guys. So I think okay na siya guys. I-intensify ko lang yung pink sa gitna kasi parang nahaluan na siya ng purple. And blend the edges. So ayan guys, and then the next thing is I'm going to cut the clouds. So for that, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 25. Gagamitin ko sana tong LA Girl Pro Conceal para diretso na lang, pero dark kasi yung shade niya, so I'm just going to use this. I'm going to get a flat shader brush and use this to cut the crease. I'm going to start in the inner corner, guys. This is really hard to explain, guys, but magkakat lang kayo ng crease, pero yung shape niya dapat hindi straight, kundi dapat pa-curve para magmukhang clouds. I think this is going to be hard. Lalo na for me na first time ko lang siyang gagawin. It's really hard, guys. So, ayan yung nagawa ko. Hindi siya perfect, pero that's my best. I-try ko lang aayusin ulit. Yan. So, okay na yan for me. And then, I'm going to set that with white powder. I know, a setting powder. I'm going to use my CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous press powder. Pack to the powder para maset yung concealer. And para hindi na siya mag-move. And I already set the eyeshadow, guys. And then the next shade, guys, is iniisip ko pa, guys, kung anong color yung ilalagay ko, but maybe I'm going to put shimmer shade na lang. I'm going to intensify I'm going to put a white eyeshadow para mas maging light yung cut ng crease, and I'm going to use the white eyeshadow. Ayan, tapos na, guys. And then kukunin ko itong brush. And then, kukunin ko yung this shade and i-blend ko yung sa gilid. So, ayan. Then, I'm going to take this blue. The darker blue, this one. So, the next shade is maglalagay na tayo ng shimmer eyeshadow. Malapit na tayong matapos, guys. So, I'm going to put this silver eyeshadow. Guys, silver to. Pasensya na hindi kasi nag-focus. Gagamitin ko lang itong finger ko. Okay. Hindi ko lang ang pinakating lang siya. Taking again this shade and take the purple. So, ayan, guys, tapos na. Ito na yung final look, guys. So, gagawin ko lang siya off cam and I'll be back. So I'm done guys. I already put my eyelashes already, and for our lips, I'm going to use this Careline Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Galgo. So, nakita mo ito? Lobad na yung light na ginagamit ko. So, this is the final look guys.